So this video is looking at strumming. It's a particular kind of method of strumming which I think makes it easier to kind of stay in time, for it just to sound a wee bit smoother, and yeah, hopefully it helps. So this is how to do it. The main thing we're kind of working on is our right hand here, and it's going to be going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up all the time. So it never stops doing that, no matter what the strumming pattern is. So for example, we're counting it like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and if I wanted strums just on the numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4, but not in the ands, it'd sound like this. I'm just dampening the strings, so fingers very gently on the strings, makes that sort of sound. So I'm strumming only in the numbers, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And so I'm still going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, but I'm not strumming on the up. Okay, so we'll do that a few times together. So 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so I'm using a kind of mixture of my arm and wrist. I know this looks weird. I'm using a mixture of my arm and wrist. So not all wrist, or probably not all arm as well. So I'm kind of moving my arm, but also my wrist is kind of going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's look at our first strumming pattern, which is going to be down, 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 up, down, up. So we're still moving our hand up and down the whole time, but only strumming on those. So 3, 4, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, cool. So let's go into another strumming pattern, trying the same technique. So this is one that's used in hundreds and thousands of songs. It's the down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so to do that, I'll do it slowly. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So you're still doing a down on what would be beat 3. Down, down, up, down, up. So I'm saying the down quietly. Okay, so let's try that strumming pattern together. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I find it's really good just to say all the down ups, even though you're not strumming them all, so it reminds you to go down on the 3. So that would be like this: down, up, 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 down, up. You speed that up. Okay, let's do a couple more strumming patterns then. So we're gonna do a down on the 1, an up on the end of 2, and a down on the 4, and that's a kind of rumba strumming pattern. It sounds like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We speed up: 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If you're struggling with the up strums, I mean, what I'm doing is I'm strumming down with the tips of my nails like that. But when I come up, I usually just poke out my first finger slightly, and it catches the inside of my index finger. You don't have to do that. You can just come back up with your nails. You can strum down with your thumb, up with your finger, whatever kind of works for the moment. And then for different styles, you'd probably strum slightly differently. Okay, so let's try that. So 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Excellent. So you probably want to try some of these strumming patterns with some chords. So say with a C chord, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. How I tend to kind of practice is I'll go from my C to my C major 7 to my C7 to all open strings. I find that means you're not having to concentrate too much on your left hand. I'm not doing this drum pattern there. 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah, so I'd say that's like a good first step into like really like locking strumming down. There's exceptions to the rule of going down, up, down all the time, different styles and stuff. But it's a really good starting block, and it works really well with most kind of rock, pop, and what else, country, folk, anything like that. Yes. Let's finish off with one more strumming pattern. We're going to do a down up on the 1 and a down up on the 4. So it'd be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. You can try moving around the chords. So C to that 1, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... Yeah, and you can kind of mess around, put the two strumming patterns together. So say the second one we did, the down, down, up, up, down, up, and down, 2, 3, 4, and down, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So it's mixing the second strumming pattern with the last one. Try it with different chords. Yeah.